Feeling overwhelmed by credit card debt? You're not alone. In today's video, we'll guide you through 8 powerful steps to help you climb out of debt and regain control of your finances. Stick around because these tips can make a real difference. Step 1. Assess your debt. Start by listing all your credit cards, their balances, interest rates, and minimum payments. Knowing exactly where you stand is crucial. It's like getting a map before a road trip. You need to know your starting point to plan your route. Step 2. Create a budget. Track your income and monthly expenses to see how much you can put towards paying off your debt. Cutting back on non-essential expenses can free up extra cash. It's about making your money work for you so you can pay off that debt faster. Step 3. Choose a repayment strategy. The snowball method focuses on paying off the smallest debt first for a quick win, while the avalanche method targets the highest interest rate to save on interest. Pick the method that keeps you motivated and fits your financial situation. Step 4. Negotiate lower interest rates. Call your credit card companies and ask for a lower interest rate. It's a simple call that could save you money, especially if you have a good payment history. Every little bit helps. Step 5. Consider a balance transfer. A balance transfer credit card with 0% APR can give you a break from interest for a while. Just be sure to understand any fees and the rate after the introductory period ends. Step 6. Set up automatic payments. Set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a due date. This way, you avoid late fees and stay consistent with your repayment plan. Step 7. Track your progress. Regularly review your progress to stay motivated. Celebrate milestones like paying off a card or reaching a savings goal. Tracking your success keeps you focused and driven. And finally, Step 8. Seek professional help if needed. If you're feeling overwhelmed or stuck, consider reaching out to a financial advisor or credit counselor. They can offer personalized advice and help you create a tailored plan to tackle your debt effectively. And there you have it. 8 actionable steps to help you pay off your credit card debt and regain control of your finances. Remember, progress takes time, but with these strategies, you're on the right path to becoming debt-free. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching Money Matters. And here's to your journey towards financial freedom.